AP Lang and Comp, the puppet show.
Hello, welcome to AP Lang and Comp. I'm your teacher for the year. Turn in your dialecticals. I did all of mine.
I just did mine all last night. I only did some of them. What? We did them together last night. Oops.
Okay, so I graded your dialecticals, and your dialecticals are all trash. Well, I'll let you redo them. Let's take the vocab test. I got this, I studied.
I just found out, but I think I'll do fine. We have a vocab test?
Oh, I know this. It's hippopotamus monstrosquipedaliophobia. That's the fear of long words.
I don't know this, but if I cross these two out, I think I'll figure it out. Well, if I look over my shoulder, nah, I'll just guess and hope for the best. AP Lang and Comp, Q2.
So for our year-long project, you guys will decide a controversial topic. Your first factoid is due Friday. I'll do genetically modified organisms.
There's so many options. Maybe I'll do ocean exploration? Ha! Is it cause your hair is blue? No, it's not even blue anymore. What are you going to do? I'll do inequality in schools. Sea change. It's Friday.
Here you go, Miss Martin. Tell me what you think.
I think I did this right. Miss Martin, I forgot it at home. I'll send it to you in third period. Sorry. AP Lang and Comp, Q3.
Welcome to my garden! Miss Martin, this is a classroom. Oh, that's right, John.
I have a question, Miss Martin. How's your day?
It's good. Thanks, Colin.
I thought it was Joe!
That's off topic. Today we'll be doing an argumentative essay.
But Miss Martin, we just did one yesterday.
What's it about? That's a surprise. But before we do, attendance question. What's your favorite SpongeBob song?
The best time to wear a striped sweater is all the time.
Campfire song.
I like Gary Come Home. Okay. Now time to read the prompt. Let's see what this is about. What? A cold one with the boys versus respecting women?
There's more evidence for the boys.
Definitely respecting the women. I can get a better grade. I'm going to qualify that I can respect women 6 days of the week, but Saturdays are for the boys. After the essay.
These essays are really helping us become strong writers. We hope you see how much we improved. Yes, you guys used to get 3s, but now you're getting 7s.
What? But I got a 6.
Ding, 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 ding. Oh, is that the bell?
But Miss Martin.
Bye.
AP Lang and Comp, Q4, nearing the end.
You guys did it. You're done with the AP exams, except you, Joel. Let's finish the year with a project and a show and tell.
Yes! Show and tell, Dave.
I got a magic trick. Wow, John, that was cool. Joel, do you have something?
Well, I got a picture of me kissing Christian and a water bottle. Well, nothing else. I have something for him. It's a video of him sex dancing on my car, but I'll just play the uke.
Let's start a book club too. Yeah, I'll join.
I'll think about it. No. thank you. We went from low essay scores to getting better ones, Miss Martin.
We've grown as students to realize that learning is important.
And we need to take more risks.
I'll miss you guys. Good luck with your life.
We'll miss you too. Group hug. The end. In the future with Joel or Colin. It's me, Joel from the future. Hey, you're me. Yes, Colin or Joel. Yeah. So what's happened? Well, Adrian's dead.
Extra credit scene.